Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini to buy Bitcoin using an easy method. First, you'll need to create and verify your Gemini account. This process ensures security and compliance. Once your account is set up, you can link a bank account or debit card for funding. Gemini offers a user-friendly platform, making it simple for beginners to navigate the world of cryptocurrency. We'll walk through each step to ensure a smooth experience. To buy Bitcoin, you first need to fund your Gemini account. You can link your bank account for ACH transfers, which are usually free but take a few business days to clear. Alternatively, you can use a debit card for instant deposits, though these may incur a small fee. Choose the method that best suits your needs and urgency. Ensure your linked account is verified to avoid any delays in funding. Once your account is funded, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. On the Gemini platform, simply navigate to the Buy section. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You can then enter the amount you wish to purchase, either in US dollars or a specific amount of Bitcoin. Review all the order details, including the price and any associated fees, before confirming your purchase. It's a straightforward process. After your purchase, your Bitcoin will appear in your Gemini portfolio. From here, you have several options. You can choose to hold your Bitcoin, sell it for fiat currency, or transfer it to another wallet. Gemini provides robust security features, including two-factor authentication, to protect your assets. Always prioritize security when managing your cryptocurrency investments. Congratulations on your first Bitcoin purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.